In this video, we're going to learn how to change sequence settings, which means modifying your timeline's resolution and frame rate. Sequence settings control how your entire project behaves, so understanding them is very important. Let's start. Click anywhere inside your timeline to make sure your sequence is active. Now go to the top menu and click Sequence, then choose Sequence Settings. A window will open. Here you'll see several important options. First, you'll see frame size, which controls your resolution. For example, 1920 by 1080 for Full HD. You can manually change the width and height if needed. When you click OK, Premiere may ask whether you want to scale existing clips. Choose based on your project. Now let's talk about time base, which represents your frame rate, such as 24 frames per second, 30 frames per second, or 60 frames per second. Both in current versions of Premiere Pro, you can change the time base directly inside this window. However, keep this in mind: if you change the frame rate after editing, your clips may need reinterpretation and motion timing could feel different. So while it is possible to change FPS, it's always best practice to set the correct frame rate before starting your edit. After making your changes, click OK. That's it. You now know how to properly change resolution and frame rate in sequence settings inside Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.